our next topic is multiplication of any number by 10, 100 and 1000. Now, if you want to multiply by 10, how it will be? Like 6 multiplied by 10. You are going to multiply 6 with this number. Here it is 1. So, 6 1 ja 6. Number of 0 will be written after the 6, after the number. So, 6 multiplied by 100. So, it will be 6 multiplied by 1 is 6, and then how many zeros? 2. 6 multiplied by 1 is 6, then how many 0? 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Fine. In the same way here also 66 multiplied by 1 is 66, then how many zeros? 1. 66 multiplied by 1, then 2 zeros. So, what we are doing? We are multiplying this number with 1, as 1 is here, and then putting the number of 0 after the number. Fine. Now, along with this 10, 100 and 1000, let us take if something else is there. Now, what we are going to do? This 6 multiplied by 20 is 2 multiplied by 10. 2 multiplied by 10 is 20. Fine. So, we are going to multiply them. 6 2 ja 12. Then how many zeros? 1 0. This is just the application of what we have done earlier. Here also directly we can do. This 13 is going to multiplied with 5. So, 13 5 ja 65. Then how many 0? 1 2. 1 2. Here also 12 multiplied by 6. 12 6 ja 72. Then how many zeros? 3. 1 2 3. So easy. 7 7 ja 49. Then how many zeros? 2. What we are doing? We are multiplying this with this number and then putting the number of zeros after the answer, after the product. Fine. So, this way you can do it. Hello students, today our next topic is multiplication by one digit number. Let us take an example, 3264 multiplied by 4. Now, from where we are going to start? From the ones place. Now, 4 4 ja 16, 6 will go here and 1 at this place. 4 6 ja 24, 24 plus 1 25. 5 at this place and 2 on the top for as a carry. 4 2 ja 8, 8 plus 2 10. 0 at this place, 1 will go up. 4 3 ja 12 plus 1 13. So, this will be our answer. Now, in this we have 3 numbers, this, this and this. This one is called as multiplicand. The number which is to be multiplied is called as multiplicand. Multiplier is 4. The number with which we are multiplying the other number is multiplier, and the answer of the multiplication is called as product. So, these are the 3 things we are going to use in case of sum of multiplication. Let us take another example. Now, again we are going to start from ones place. So, 9 ones are 9, no carry, 9 ones are 9, again no carry, 9 8s are 72. So, in case of 72, 2 will be written here and 7 will go on the top. 9 9s are 81, 81 plus 7, 88. So, this is multiplicand, this is multiplier and this is product. Now, next thing is in this is multiplication by 2 digit numbers. You can check this is 2 digit number. So, how we are going to do this? 512 multiplication by 16 this way. Now, we will start with this 6. First 6 multiply by this 512. So, 6 2 ja 12, 1 will go at this place, 6 1 ja 6 plus 1 7, 6 multiplied by 5 is 30. Now, this is very important. You see, now this is your product after multiplying it with 6. Fine. Now, what we are going to do, at the ones place, we are going to put a cross. You will have to put a cross at the number below the ones place. Now, we are going to start with the multiplication 1. So, 1 2 ja 2, 1 1 ja 1, 1 5 ja 5. Now, we are going to add these two only, not all, just these two numbers are going to be added. Here it will be 2, 7 plus 2, 9, 0 plus 1, 1 and 3 plus 5 is 8. So, this is our product. You know that we call the answer as product. Fine. Now, the next question, 1 3 2 2 multiplied by 41. Fine. So, we are going to multiply these two. So, again we are going to start with this number 1. 1 is multiplied by with all the numbers. So, 1 2 ja 2, 1 2 ja 2, 1 3 ja 3, 1 1 ja 1. Fine. So, if you multiply any number with the number remain the same. Now, what we are going to do, put the cross below the digit at ones place. 2 के नीचे हमने क्रॉस कर दिया. Now, next thing is multiply by 4. 4 2 ja 8, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 2 here and 1 will go at this place. 4 1 ja 4 plus 1 5. Now, add them. We will have to add these two, just the below numbers. So, it will be 2, 8 plus 2, 10. So, it will be 1 at this place, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 8, 12, 1 at this place. So, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 4 and 5. So, this is your answer. This is called as product. This is 41 here is, 41 is multiplier, P-L-I-E-R, and this is multiplicand, So, multiplicand, multiplier and product. Fine. So, we always start with your ones place. Whatever calculation, multiplication you are doing, you are going to start it with your ones place only.